talk about using compatible numbers when we're estimating solutions to problems. Okay, to estimate the sum of these numbers, what we're going to do is we're going to either round them up or down to make them compatible. Numbers that are compatible, we want to be, compatible to me means you're going to make it easier. We're going to make these numbers friendly to us. And to make them friendly, I'm going to want all of these to end in either 0 or 5 so that it's easier to add. Okay? And what I'm going to do in this problem, I've got 41 plus 29 plus 63 plus 17 plus 65 plus 48 and plus 84. Okay, I can't add all those numbers up in my head, and I just need a quick solution or a quick estimate of what the sum might be. So to do that, we're going to find some numbers that when added together equal 100. Okay? 41 here can be rounded down to 40, and then I can round 63 up to, or down to 60 also. And I know that 60 plus 40 is 100. Okay? And then I've got, when I add those two together, I get 100. Okay, now it leaves me with those numbers. Okay, so I've got 29 that I can round up to 30, and I've got a 65 that I can round up to 70. And I know that 30 plus 70 is also 100. Got 20 and 80, 17 and 84 also equal 100. So then when I add, I've got 300, and I add those three together, and then 48 is going to round up to 50. 300 plus my 50 that's remaining is going to give me an estimated sum of about 350. Okay? And when I actually added them all up, it was 347. So I'm getting a really good estimate of what I'm doing when I'm adding these numbers up. And now let's look at a division problem. We're not doing division just yet, but when we get around to it, you will know how to do it. Alright, to estimate the answer to this division problem, you're going to round the numbers up or down to make them compatible. Okay, so 371 is going to be, I'm going to round it up to 400. I want a digit with some zeros. It's going to make it easier for me. And 18 is close to 20, so 20 is my divisor and 400 is going to be my dividend. And I know that 20 will go to 40 two times, and then I've got a 0 so I can just add my 0 up there. So 20 times 20 is 400. And when I actually did the problem, I got 20 and 6/10. So I'm pretty close when I'm estimating, when I'm using my compatible numbers. Okay, another example. If I have a number like, let's say 324, and I want to divide it by 8. Okay, this is a big 3-digit number. If I'm just trying to get a guess, these don't necessarily, like my 8, I don't have to round to 10 and 300. I could, and that would give me 30. But I can also, I know that 8 is a factor of the number 32. So I can make that a 0, and I know that 8 will go into 32 4 times, and 8 will go into 0 0 times. So an estimate of this problem would be that 324 divided by 8 is 40 when I use compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are just something that make it easier for you to work with these numbers to get a guess in your head. We're not looking for an exact answer in the problem. It says about, or it says your best estimate. Those are the kind of things that you're going to use compatible numbers for.